Amplifier. Gain of amplifier. Last class I had already told you what is the gain of an amplifier. Gain means the ratio of output electrical quantity to input electrical quantity. The ratio of output electrical quantity to input electrical quantity. Gain, the voltage gain. If it is output is voltage output, input is voltage input, then voltage gain is voltage output to voltage input. AV. Look at here, amplifier. This is amplifier. This is your input voltage. This is your output voltage. Then voltage gain, AV, voltage gain, ratio of output voltage to input voltage. Voltage unit is volt, output voltage expressed in volt, input voltage is also expressed in volt. The ratio is unitless. The unit of gain is unitless. You don't say any unit, it is a pure number, but we are expressed with dB gain, decibel gain. Today's topic is dB gain. dB, decibel. dB gain. What is dB gain? Decibel. 1/10 of bell is known as decibel. 1 dB. How you express the voltage gain in dB? It is a logarithmic unit. If you express 20 log V out to V in, this is equal to, this much equal to dB. If you want to express the voltage gain in dB, then you calculate in this manner, 20 log, which base is 10. 20 log V output by V input is whole value is expressed in dB, decibel. I am giving you example. Voltage output is 1 volt. Voltage input 1 millivolt. Voltage gain V out to V in 1 volt to 1 millivolt, that equal to 1000. It is a number. If you expressed it in gain, in dB gain, decibel, then 20 log of 1000, this much of dB. 20 log 1000 is 3. 20 into 3 equal to 60 dB. So voltage gain in number is 1000. Voltage gain in dB is 60 dB. This is called decibel gain. If you express the current in dB, similar manner you go 20 log current output to current input. Whole value is in dB. If you express the power in dB, then you just use another formula, 10 log P output to P input. Look at it. 10 log P out to P in. Whole value is equal to your dB value. This is your power gain in dB. Current gain in dB is 20 log I out to I in. Power gain in dB, 10 log power output to power input. If it is in number, let P out is 1 watt, P in is 1 milliwatt, then power gain 1 watt to 1 milliwatt is 1000. But if you expressed the power gain which is in number in terms of dB, then you calculate in this manner, 10 log 1000 whole value in dB is the power gain AP. This equal to 10 into 3 equal to 30 dB. Again I am saying 10 log power output to power input, whole value in dB. dB gain, power gain in number, power gain in decibel, voltage gain in number, voltage gain in dB, current gain in number, current gain in dB. This is called dB gain. The unit of gain, power gain, you can express in dB. The unit of voltage gain also expressed in dB. The current gain also expressed in dB, decibel.